Yo, hello, 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 hello. What's up? Mm. Hey, Yo, 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 hello, 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 hello. Uh, Mm, I can do stuff. Uh, mm, mm, so pretty much well, wireless camera wires. Uh, so, so using this, you can just stream your videos using phone. This is pretty good, I believe. Basically, this is the window, main window. So let's remove it from now. Extrude up quick, yeah. Mhm, 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 mhm. Everything queen of you. Ah, hello. हो गया, बोलिए। हाँ, कर लिया। खाएंगे ना, अभी थोड़ी खाएंगे खाना। कुछ नहीं, काम कर रहे थोड़ा। बोल। ठीक है। बाय। बाय बाय बाय। कुछ कहो ना मेरे। Yo, yo, hello. What's up? What's up, people? What's up? Yo, yo, yo. Hello, hello, hello. What's up? Please give it a Wi-Fi. Let's try this. Connect, connected. Let's connect. Webcam our app into APS. Zero wire. No wire. Wireless connection. Hive mind system can be built. Two camera feeds, one person. Okay, yeah. Uh, let's work on this. Let's add AI in this. Slowly we can add AI and stuff in this. Our Webcam. So if we close this, it should disconnect. Yeah, it's disconnected. So if you have any questions, I'll answer them according to the this project. I'll explain its whatever like what we have done till now and what we are building actually. So yeah, it's pretty good. Like you can get like HD quality uh, Wi-Fi, like HD quality webcam using your phone basically. So you can use your phone as webcam and then you can stream like the videos directly to your PC. And also now we are going to add like face tracking, uh, background removal, all those things to you know get rid of like all this stuff. It will have the AI to detect the human only. So human or some specific stuff you if you want. So we will include those AI based system in this our webcam. So yeah, okay. So we are done till this point. I think web app is almost quite like desktop application is almost quite done. Now we will work on the mobile application. So desktop version is done. We'll think if we require something, then we'll add it. Mostly like pair using the Wi-Fi is there. So like I can't test the USB debugging as of now because I don't have the cable for that. Like already my phone is connected using the cable. So I'll connect. I'll check this off screen. So yeah. So once I think it's more or less it's going to work. So I don't think there is an issue. So let's just put all this code first. So git add. Uh, so like adding this motion tracking and face tracking will give us the uh, the work around like as I move around left and right, so it will able to track me and keep my face on the center of this screen. So this will help in, I don't know, it will help in some way. Working desktop. So now let's work on the Android application and add the uh, AI and everything. Like first we'll create the UI proper, I guess. I think there is some issue in the UI. Where is the fragment? Webcam. There is, I think, background color included in the icon, which I don't like. Color, I don't like this. It is just making it bad. So as of now, we only have like one camera button and just a question mark to inform user how to enable USB debugging and all this stuff. So the idea is now to include some AI model in this and Google face tracking. So we'll first include the button to flip the camera only. So let's just include the flip camera button. First, let's get some assets. So I think some like all this free resources like will help us to build the stuff we need. I think uh, 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 this will look good, I believe. So let's just have this 128 version, and then we'll compress this to like even make it even smaller. So let's just copy it and drawable. Let's paste it here. Flipcam. Let's name it as Flipcam. So uh, yeah. So this is the let's just rename. Should we this move this to here right and Flipcam? Hmm. Okay. The- let's just create a new chart only. So it will be like three. So here we just need to give in the UI. Left column and the flip can be right side will be edit button. It will like give some better UI. Uh, I think we also need to add this uh, face. We can even train on some faces like to detect only certain person faces like on this webcam. So like if someone else come, so Well, this is a good idea. Like if someone else come, we can remove his face. And yeah, like something we can do. Uh, if we want, like we can do that. But I don't know if we should do it. Face detection, detection, Android, Android dependency. I think there is this Google face detection. Something is there. Yes, this face kit. It will basically help to detect the faces and all everything like face. We can have like a face tracking, and I have a AI model somewhere. I forgot. Yeah, I have a AI model which can detect a person or some objects and stuff like normal stuff. So I can even use that to include in this. So this is, I want to see like this is like face tracking and everything. So even like have hand gestures to control the camera, like zoom, something I can do if I want. Phew, should we do it? Yeah, we'll include this and then we'll go with the other things. Wait, I see flip camera. No, bro. Only flip cam. Flip cam actually. So we will make it slowly, but surely we'll finish it. Oh, it's a black tint. Let's try tint. White. Yeah. Now this is what is the issue? App tint. Yeah. Okay. So we have it in white color. So we'll work on this. I'm open to the feedbacks. Like if you want something to be added in this, we have like the basic setup ready to receive frame receivers. Frame receiver is there now. We want to include this. We can do whatever in the like pre-processing of the frames in here only. So even like we can even do like to improve image quality or something. Like if I search something like how to quality in the uh, processing. Like we can have some better techniques, some techniques like to Gaussian blur or something, to improve all this. Some things like all this you can see. I need to improve the image quality of OpenCV. Yeah, we can even include OpenCV library to process all these things. But OpenCV is basically like image processing only, so we can even do like pure image processing directly instead of having any library in the application. So like we can improve the contrast and stuff like here in the camera directly. Yeah, we can add some control panel like like a control one window will show and a control panel to improve the contrast stuff and all those things. Then we can have a like remove background, add different background or replace your. Oh, we can even do the replace to character to some 3D model or something if you want. Like as of now, we don't have all this. Like we'll implement this all features slowly, one by one. So yeah, that's the thing here. We'll add it once we'll see like once we are done with this, then we'll go with the Arduino. Like we'll add the compiler directly to the Android application so that we can compile the Arduino code directly in the phone and upload it to the device. Thus, we can like directly code it. I will create a GUI for coding the Arduino directly from the phone. So you don't even need to have the you need don't need to type the code and stuff. You can directly configure it using the GUI and yeah, you can add the components and stuff. We will add the small, like we will add the components slowly one by one in the Arduino, like in our application. So you can like config all those things, or you can go in direct raw code mode and directly code the stuff out. And yeah, you can do the all kinds of stuff. We can even use our phone as the uh, head processor and use the AI and data and stuff to upload data over the server and stuff, all like that, all stuff like that. So, you can do this. So basically, it will become a like a top layer for this Arduino based system. So top layer will be like the smart. If you have like a spare phone, you can use that phone as a top layer. Then you can channel the data directly to the Arduino. You can talk with the Arduino, and then you can use Arduino to control all these servo motors and all those things. And you can use your phone as the AI, like a AI, we can say like AI reader or something. You can say which who can like program all these things. You know, all those processing because the phone have a way better processor than the dumb Arduino and stuff. We can and then we can directly generate the raw input bytes and all those things. So we'll do this one by one. So first we'll complete this our webcam application. Then we'll go with the other things. So here first, let's just do this way. I like adding all this like in the droid cam also. What we get in droid. Premium. Like in this also, I don't think so. They have all this like higher definition video up to 180p, remove all ads, enable advanced camera controls like mirror, flip, rotate. This we can directly add, no? Directly. Oh, this we can also add. Flip, mirror, control, rotate, and manual exposure adjustment to the for your computer. Yeah, we can add this. So it is manual exposure adjustment. Let's see. Let's see. What is manual exposure? Manual exposure adjustment in Webcam lets you manually control the lock brightness of the phone camera feed when you use a webcam. It stop the camera. Okay, so we have all this. Like we can create a configure camera window. So uh, when the will go on the configure camera, okay, you can configure these settings and stuff. So if we should keep the this in the landscape mode instead of this normal mode. We'll keep our phone in keep the UI in landscape mode. It will be way better. So where is our intent main activity? Screen orientation, landscape. Why it's giving warning? But we'll keep our application in the landscape mode only. So to have this all sorts of control. So it will be like a better looking, thing. We'll have only one fragment as a main fragment, and then we'll have all this configure and stuff in the separate fragment. No, 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 no. We'll not do like that. So I think a flip camera is now there. We should extract all this camera control in a separate file as a camera helper. So let's just make a helper section. So it will be better to have like all this camera based control in the helper class so we can reuse it everywhere. So we don't have to create all these things again and again. Here it is. Uh, let's rename it only. I will need 12 people to test this application for 14 days so that I can publish it in Google Play Store. So if you are interested, like you can let me know like if you want to test this application for 12 days so we can have this app live on Google Play Store so the users can directly get it from the Play Store. If you are interested, then let me know. Uh, if you want like classes and stuff, I can give it, but not sure if you want it or not. I can teach it, but yeah, sure, sure. So like I can see like you four of you are there. So if you have like any doubts regarding the project, let me ask. Let me know if I can clear all the doubts. I can see people coming and going, but if you have anything to ask, what we are building and stuff, you can know, you can ask me. I'll explain all those things. So, am I audible? I think I'm audible properly. We are not using any desktop sound, so I don't think there is an issue regarding this. Also, buffer is not there, I believe. Yeah, we'll extract all these things camera related in a separate class called as camera helper. Why I'm extracting this is because we can able to reuse all these helpers, because when we go in the config section, we want to see like the camera feed in the small left section, and then we can configure like contrast, all these things, remove background and all those stuff, and we'll save the config. For that we use the camera module. So instead of redeclaring all those things over there, we should directly declare it in a camera helper. So it's a better practice to not reuse your code again and again. So it's a simple principle of coding. We should not repeat whatever we are doing, repeat the same stuff again. Like we already have our receivers. So now the main thing is to how we can improve the image processing and everything based on the Android application. So because as you can see, like this Droid Cam doesn't provide super HD quality. Like it can only go up to like 1080p. So if you have a 4K camera on your device, like on your phone, so you will not be able to stream based on like 4K camera which you have. But if you have better camera, so why you are not able to do that? So we should be able to do it, and we can add some image processing to even enhance the image quality of the camera feed. So we'll have like a contrast enhancer and all those things. So we can have it in a different in a control panel section, so we can do all these things. So yeah, let's just do this. It will not be completed like today only, but it will take some time. So we'll slowly work on this, and we'll complete all this code structuring and everything slowly one by one. So once we are done, I'll try to publish it on Google Play Store. So I'll need like four, or I'll need like 12 people, 12 people to to make this app live on Google Play Store. So yeah, so if you are interested to be the part of that, to get the early access and test the application, yeah, you can join this. You can ask, like you can tell me, I'll add you in some group or something. We'll figure out, and we can publish this application on the play onto the Play Store. Can see like few people are there, so we can even if you want to, I'll make this project as open source. So if you want to contribute to this application, even like for desktop or a mobile application, so you can go and contribute. There is no restriction over for that. I'll check your contribution code, whatever, and then if everything is okay, then I'll add it to this project. So you can like I am implementing only few AI features over here. You can add like if you want something specific to your system, like you want something very specific according to your need, you can add those to this application, and if it's good, we'll add it to the open source system, so like everyone can join this. Very few open source projects are around here right now, so it's better to have this all. I don't know if we can convert this into some monetary stuff, like if we can monetize this or not. But I'll try to not to monetize this, but maybe we can include some Google ads and stuff to monetize this. Yeah, we have our camera helper now. Helpers, we have the camera helper. Here we'll need to create our new screen as this setting or something, setting fragment or something. It will create. So once we'll create all these bunch of features, then we'll include it to uh, then we'll include all these things. Hmm. So I think we have it. So let's just keep connecting so that we can install and check if everything is working properly or not. Uh, Close, I guess. I think there is some bug with this Android Studio. I think I have to reinstall it or upgrade it, because sometimes it doesn't just recognize only that it have the wireless debugging capabilities. You know, I can even use my application. Also, I'll try to create that desktop to up as a plugin for OBS, and also convert it to into an desktop application, so that we don't have to run the code. You can directly install the application, and thus you can directly use it. Or if there is some marketplace for this Linux-based desktop application, we will publish that desktop application over there, so that you can directly use it from there, or like direct command you can use to install it. So yeah, where it is, we're using Wi-Fi. तेरी कोई in the UI we can work on the UI, like in future, slowly, that we can improve the UI and stuff as we go. No, no, no. Okay, 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 okay. Should we like even connect to the kick or something? I don't know. Let's run and test if things are working as expected. Then we'll create the configure, like setting and all. I can see like people are still around, but I'm not sure if you're all really there or not. Like, can add some stuff so we can, know like you are really there. As of now, you can see like this webcam I'm using, this Droid cam is not very sharp and like not very good quality. Plus all these things, we can even add like filters and stuff directly to the webcam. Let's check what are the good features. Okay, so we have our thing ready working properly. We have changed the orientation. Wait, let's test this only. The app is up and running. Let's run the desktop application. Okay, so we will have our desktop. Oh, we need the V and V. Let's delete this. It will automatically actually activates in general. New terminal. It should. Yeah, it generated. So because I forgot this command like slash home desktop cam activate all these things. So it's better to like it generates all these things. So we are already connected. It detected the ADB device. So we can just start this and we'll start the frames. So frames are now going and let's just flip the camera. Wait, flip. So as you can see, like camera is also working properly and the image quality is good. Like let me check if it's set in 100% or not. Camera frame streamer. Yeah, this is in 100%. We don't want any quality compromisation. We can even improve the quality actually. So as you can see, but for some reason the color contrast is not matching. Maybe there is something like color contrast or something in the Android which has been done. I'll try to improve that also. So we have our webcam. See, you can see in the OBS also we got our webcam. Now we will add the other things to it. Uh, color contrast. Uh, we'll work on this. Flip cameras there. Flip. We can even like, can we stream parallel? Let me ask this to the AI. If you can send this like front and back together, that will be crazy. Uh, 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 it should be because Samsung is there, not with single camera select. That only ever finds one physical camera at a time, but it's possible to support hardware using Xcam. Uh, so So first, let's commit this and then we'll try to experiment with this. If this will work, then we'll add this multi-camera setup directly to the our webcam system. So it will be good. Yeah. Git add. Let's try this out if it able to work or not. If not, then we'll leave it. But if it will work, then it's good. Okay, camera. We already have the CameraX, I guess. Uh, Camera core we have, not CameraX. Actually, we already have no camera core 1.3.4, 1.3 camera 2, camera life cycle, camera view. We already have all these dependencies. We do not need this. So let's just go here. Fragment Webcam. Okay, it will have two previews now, I believe. Need to change the tint. Make the background tend to be white, so it should be visible. The preview and preview two. We have two previews. Now let's try if it will work or not. Camera helper, let's go. Mm, mm, it's directly okay. We need to add a preview variable. Don't want this to be running as of now. We have it here like camera start, camera helper. This one. Application we need to update. Click of which button it's doing. Here only we should put it. Camera permission. Frames, camera. Let's try this. This is copied. We need to monitor the lock cap for this. Hmm. 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 camera output is clear. I think it has like my device doesn't have the enough resources only to pull this off. So most of the device does not have, so why even bother creating this? Yeah, it doesn't have the resource, enough resource only to pull this off. Hmm. Just remove, just remove all this code. Let's go edge to edge enable. We'll slowly add the AI and everything. So I guess for now, let's just stop here. We'll come again after some time and we'll work on this further. Okay. So see you all guys. Bye bye. After some time we'll connect. Okay. Yeah. So bye bye.